This is the newest outdoor innovation from Ninja. This is the Ninja FlexFlame. It grills, smokes, roasts, bakes. You can even get an upgrade for the pizza oven and griddle capabilities. Before we get cooking on this though, I'm going to show you how to assemble it. Once you get your box home, use a sharp blade to open it up. The top of the box will tell you everything that should be inside. It also lays out the different accessories that you can add to your FlexFlame. I'll talk about those upgrades in another video. Use a pair of scissors to cut the corners of the box. Then take everything out except for the grill itself. One thing I love about the packaging that makes assembly so easy is that every piece is labeled. The nuts and bolts are separated by steps, and each piece is wrapped in plastic with a label. You don't have to worry about removing the stickers from the parts. And it comes with all the tools you'll need. You'll see the screws have blue tape around the threads. This helps lock them in place so the grill is more stable. To assemble, start by placing the base upside down and screwing on the wheels. The locking wheels go toward the front. Lock those wheels after you screw them on. Next, align the doorstop with the small holes and screw it to the base. Flip the base over and add the sidewalls. Start by partially adding a screw to the front and the back. Then add the left panel and shift it slightly. Add the middle screw and tighten them all down. Repeat the same steps with the right side. Add the back panel by partially adding 2 screws in the top holes. Slide the panel into place and add and tighten the remaining screws. Add the tank divider by placing the curved part of the hook in the bottom and the more square part toward the back. You'll have to force it down a little bit until it snaps in place. To finish out the base, partially add 2 screws to the top front, then slide the front crossbar into place. Add the remaining screws and tighten. The base is ready for the grill. But first, you'll need to open the grill and remove everything inside. Look for the orange stickers on each side that say "Lift Here." This is where you'll place your hands to lift the grill out of the box. You will need 2 people for this step. Lift the firebox out of the box and place it on the grill cart. There are 4 posts on the corners. Slide those into the slots on the base, then screw it down to secure it. Next, you'll add the shelves. These attach with nuts and the included wrench. The right shelf is a little trickier because you have to fit it over the valve stem for the dial. To install the control panel, remove the zip strip, then remove the sticker on the front that explains how to snap it in place. There's a clip on the back side of the control panel. Go ahead and slide that into the slot on the front of the grill, then shift the panel to the right to lock it down and add the screws to tighten. Pull the propane hose through the bottom right panel and secure it to the side of the cart with the bracket and screw. Add the grease tray rails. The one with a large dip in it goes on the right. You'll add a screw in the front and in the back. Next, add the propane heat shield. Make sure that it catches on the tabs on the left and that the concave is facing down. Add 2 screws to secure it from the outside. Place the dial on the valve stem. The grill comes with 3 burners that are already installed and 3 main burner flame tamers. When adding the tamers, make sure that the larger rectangular hole is on the right and the more oval hole is on the left. Add the pilot burner flame tamer on top on the right side. Add the bottom 2 grill grates, followed by the top cooking rack. Next, slide the grease tray under the grill and add on the doors. Start with the left door. Place the peg in the bottom slot. Then press the top peg up toward the grill, slide the door under the peg, and it should snap into the hole. Repeat with the right door. Finally, add a propane tank its side on the right. Tighten it down and then screw on the regulator hose. Before lighting the grill, be sure to remove all of the stickers. Work slowly to avoid leaving behind any residue. Plug the grill into a 3-prong outdoor extension cord, then turn the propane on. Before your first cook, you'll need to do a burn-off to get rid of any manufacturer's residue. Turn the dial to ignite and then to grill. Set the temperature to 600 degrees. Check to make sure that the pilot light is lit, then close the lid and let it burn for at least 20 minutes. Now that you've completed the burn-in, you're ready to get cooking. Go ahead and click on the next video to learn all about how to cook on your Ninja FlexFlame.